So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your AirPod sounds are very, very low. So maybe you're going through and listening to a song from your AirPods, but for some reason the volume is very, very low within the specific song. Well, the first thing you're going to want to do and make sure is to make sure your volume on your specific device that you're listening to, whether it's a Mac or it's a iPhone or whatever it is, you want to make sure that the volume is properly on and all the way up on that specific device. If your volume is down a lot, well, that's basically going to be the main problem you're going to be having. So just go through, turn up the volume on whatever device you're on, and that's probably going to end up fixing the problem for like 20,000% of people out there. Now, the other thing you're going to have to do here is, in my opinion, if you take a close look at the specific AirPods that you have, so in this case, if you take a look at the AirPod, if you take a look at the specific pod around this side as well, you're just going to want to make sure that there's not a lot of like earwax and dust and all this other stuff stuck inside of these specific AirPods. Because if there is, that's probably going to cause a lot of issues in and of itself. Sorry, it's not focusing. But you're going to want to just make sure that this specific thing is set up properly too. Make sure that this thing is cleared out. Because if there's a lot of gunk and disgusting stuff stuck in here, well, that's basically going to be the problem there too. So just make sure that's not causing the issue, because if it is, well, then that's pretty much going to be the problem there. Now, let's say you do that and that's still not the problem. Well, the next thing you're probably going to want to try doing is to just, again, make sure that within the specific, AirPods, they're properly connected to your device. The volume is up. If that's still not working, you may want to make sure these AirPods are charged up. If these AirPods are almost dead, that's going to be another big reason and another red flag on why you're getting this specific problem. So just make sure your AirPods are completely charged up, and that may end up fixing the problem too. So those are pretty much the main ways to go ahead and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.